What's up everybody? So today in this video what I'm going to be showing you is how to do a progress bar in Airtable. So you can have a progress bar in just one field all the way down for any record in that table. You can build out a progress bar. So if you haven't met me before, my name is Ben Green. I'm the owner of optimizeis, and what we do is we help business owners probably just like you help you optimize your information system. So that can be in stuff like Airtable, Asana, Slack. Airtable for like asset management, CRM, Asana for project management, Slack for communications. So if you're interested in any services, you can check out the link down in the description and you can request a consultation from me or someone on my team. But without further ado, we'll get right in the video now. So if I come in here, we can see I'm in a sales CRM, which typically always am. So what we have here, just before you build your progress bar, what you need is two things. You need your baseline and then you need your goal. So like you just need those two variables because each of these progress bars, like 20,000 is 80% of 25,000. So these can also all change. So like this one could be like 12,000. You can have that kind of thing where you have a progress bar that has different goals on each one. So you can see these two are similar on the progress bar while they have two different goals. But these are the two fields you need. Now you could, instead of having goal here, you could write into the formula what the goal is if it's the same every time. So I also want to shout out, let's see, what's his name? W. Van Hall. He came up with this solution in the community forum. Someone was looking for a way to make this progress bar, and he created this. So the formula credit goes to him. It looks prettier than mine usually do as well. So it's very nice. So the current basically gets divided by the goal, and then it multiplies, like it creates a new little block here for each one. So as you can see, all of these are pretty accurate. Like 5, that's 20% of 25,000 right there. So it's a smaller bar than most. So now into the formula. If I come in here, there's just this big long formula in here. And I'm not going to go through all the formula. This one is one of the ones where it's just easier to copy and paste once than to try to learn all of these like nested ifs and the length function and the rep function, I believe it's repeat. Could be wrong there, but this one's just easier. So to start off, I would just have one field named current and one field named goal, and I'll throw this formula down in the description. That way you can just copy it and paste it into your table. But before you do that, before you make that formula field, just name one of your fields current and the other one goal. And then afterwards, after you paste the formula in here, you can change the numbers or the names of those, and it'll change it in the formula. That way you don't have to do a ton of writing and figuring out where exactly you need to be writing in the formula. But this is pretty cool. It does everything you need it to do. So if I added a new one in here, we can say this is 2 out of 5, and then it'll give us a clean 40% there. So it's very nice. It can do anything like that. And if you want to hard code some of this stuff in there, so if your goal is the same, then I would come in here and instead of goal, I would change that to the number that you want in there. So if current is less than or equal to like 25,000, current comma 25,000 divided by 25,000, just replace wherever it says a goal with whatever your call it like hard coding a number in there, but just like make it static instead of dynamically pulled in from your table. So that's the basics of making a progress bar. It's not going to be a ton of learning for this one. It's just going to be taking that formula down in the description, which all credit goes to W. Van Hall from the community forum. But this is that form, or this is that. So I'll include both these formulas. So one gives you the option to have this percent at the beginning, and the other one does not. It just has the progress bar. So I'll throw both of those down in the description. And yeah, literally all you have to do is add a field to the right here. So if I went and copied this and I inserted one to the right, then I would just click formula, and then paste it right there, and then click create field, and then I would have that. So again, all you have to do is have these two fields named correctly, and that's it. So if you want to learn maybe just the basics of creating an Airtable formula, maybe this is one of your first ones, then you can watch this video right in the end screen. So just go click on that video right in the end screen. You can learn the basics of how to make any Airtable formula, to go through all of the different steps into making one, the operators, the separators, the call at the beginning for the formula, as well as just using some basic logic in your formula. So I highly encourage you to go watch that video right there in the end screen. Without further ado, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.